Well, here we are at the Gasthaus after our golf outing. Um, this is a very nice place. Here's their München beer garden. And they got these really neat flower things on the fence. And Gene and I are trying to figure out how we tried to grow them ourselves. It didn't work. It's like a hanging basket. And if you look inside, not sure if you can see, but there is a plastic basket in there. And these flowers are growing out of it. And you see the whole fence. And of course, actually they got some pine trees. And it says, "Welcome, kitchen open daily." It's called the Gasthaus Bavarian Hunter. Very good meal. We had sauerbraten with dumplings and red cabbage.